Hi everyone, it seems that we are live. Okay, I was doing this experiment trying to host IPFS on Raspberry Pi. Uh, Thought I'll record it. So what I've done till now is I've copied one of the services called IPFS Cluster CTL already on Raspberry Pi. I've seen that the architecture version is correct, which is ARM, and it seems to be working. I'll follow the same and I'll copy all these other services that are required. Here we go. If you're seeing this as a recording, you may want to just cut short, like just fast forward to after we have all the downloads done and ready. Okay, let's get this one. By the way, this there's a shout out to this neat little app. It's called Unclack. So when I'm typing on the keyboard, so this app, what it does is it mutes my mic. So not necessarily what I want to do right now. But here we go. Okay, what's going on over here? XF. Hmm. Okay, now let's copy all of these to my bin. Oops. So this one is available in IPFS. Go, or rather IPFS. All right, so things seem to be working right now. What I want to do in this session is I don't want to host IPFS standalone. I would rather do it along with like a cluster. Yeah, let's see. I'll use the CRDT method for consensus. If someone is interested, there is a write-up over here. I believe in this one, consensus components. It explains uh, when do you choose one versus the other. I'll be using CRDT. Okay. This one looks interesting. Let's see what this one contains. Oops. All right, looks like a standard configuration. By the way, this is also something very interesting. We can create a private cluster by enabling, by using this parameter called cluster secret. I haven't used it for this experiment, but this is one of those things that I'll be trying very soon. In case I want to initialize another cluster node, I can potentially use my configuration hosted on IPFS. I can perhaps copy the service JSON over there and initialize the other cluster nodes using the same configuration. Okay, let's see, let's run an IPFS cluster service daemon. Okay, see a lot of errors over here. Perhaps it's because there is no IPFS node running right now. Okay, let's wait for a moment over here. Let's do IPFS init. All right, and let's do IPFS daemon. Try running this one again. All right, so we have the IPFS cluster also ready. Let's see if we can do something interesting with it. Okay, let's see if we can host something like a cat picture. Apparently, cat pictures are, uh, very often used in IPFS demos. There seems to be a cult around it. I'll follow suit. What just happened over here? Hmm. Interesting. What just happened here? Okay, let me rename this one .jpeg. Where's my cat? Okay, here's the cat. Now let's try adding my cat picture to the cluster. All right. Let's see if this is available on public internet now. Let's see. We'll use Cloudflare's service IPFS gateway for testing this out. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, fingers crossed. Well, let's see. Even if do we even have any peers? PFS. Oops. Cluster. CTL. Peers. Yes. Okay. So we do have peers. Interesting. If this does not work, what I'll do is I'll try to initiate another IPFS node on my Mac and try to access the same. Let's see. All right, never mind. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so the IPFS daemon is not running on my system right now. Let's do IPFS to um, get IPFS back. I don't want to lose my configuration. I'll do a IPFS init and a local IPFS daemon. Allow, why not? Now let's see if we can get my cat picture. It's my cat picture. Yeah. No. Okay. Here it is. There you go. So it seems to be working. Seems like the Cloudflare, the gateway, it has some issues. It could be a timeout, perhaps because I'm in India, the gateway is in US. Maybe it timed out trying to resolve the path to my Raspberry Pi hosted over here to the gateway. But the system works. I'm very happy with it. All right, thank you all. I'll be ending the session right now.